guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing pink box delivery. Pink box delivery is this big old purple box, and I have not peeked. I just cut it open so we could be ready. But it always comes with this like really cute pink truck that has the packages, so that's what the stickers will look like. So if you subscribe to them, that's how you know it's pink box delivery at your door. But I ordered this box in December because I was like, that looks like such a cute subscription. Let me check it out. I want to try it. I absolutely loved it, okay? Now, you know me, guys. I like to see if a subscription stands the test of time. So I always will check them out for a couple of months and see how they do. So this is month 2 with pink box delivery. So if you missed the first video or you need just a recollection of events, it is $35 a month, okay? You might say that's a little steep, but it is a lifestyle box. So $35 for a lifestyle box is, to me, actually a good price. It is monthly, and I loved it last month. I thought it was really cute. The things they gave me were very different, and I mean, I even got a Kenny Rogers, Dolly Parton Christmas CD. Like, what? Who'd have thunk it? But I was happy with everything I got in there. So if you want to just kind of like recall, like, okay, what the hell did she get in December? I can't remember. Or maybe you didn't see the video. Please go check it out. That way you can fairly compare, just as I do, the subscriptions, because that's how I decide if I'm going to cancel or not. So month 2, pink box delivery, January 2020. Let's get to it. All right, so $35 a month, and with any subscription you get, most of the time, same with this, the more months, like if you do a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month plan, it's going to drop the price you pay monthly. So I always give you the highest price, so that's the $35 a month. This one felt stuffed, like you could tell, but she is stuffed. She is stuffed. Like, look at this box when I open it. It's stuffed. Stuffed. I can't wait to see what's in it. Like, this one is a total surprise for me. Total. This thing, like, opened up on me. Okay, what are you? Viv and Lou, made especially for you. Alright. I like the color. Is this like a shawl? What are you? The only thing about this box that I wish was different, okay, the only thing, in case they ever watch my videos or give a damn what I think, is I wish they put a card to explain stuff. That's it. Because then I'm stuck kind of like, okay, is this a... So that's the only thing. It's a little bit difficult if you're an unboxer trying to do this box. But it's a fun subscription. So this says Viv and Lou, made especially for you. And it looks like it's like a big scarf, right? Oh, no, she can't. Look. What is this called, guys? Like a shawl? Is it a shawl? So you put, it's like, I keep covering myself up. Let me stand up. So you, like, would wear it. You put it around yourself, but it's all open. So this is like the actual sleeves. That's cute. That is really cute. All right, so let me put this on. So you wear it like it goes around you, kind of like a blanket would or a sweater. But then you still, like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's on me, but it's not, it's like still loose. I love that. That is really cute. What do y'all think? And I like the color of it. That's different. I don't own anything like this. And that was item number 1. So yay for that. But yeah, pink box delivery. I had to figure that out. I look like a moron trying to figure it out. So thanks for that. But no, other than that, it's really cute. And then it has like, see how it dangles? Like, ah! This is gorgeous, guys. I could wear this to any event and get compliments. Guarantee you. Hands down. Hands down. So cute and so different. Okay. So that was item number 1. I'm already happy. Keep in mind, I paid $35 for this box. An item like that, to me, at a store, you'd pay pretty much that price, okay? And that was only one thing. All right. So the next thing in here is a book. So it says Hugs for Women on the Go by Stephanie Howard. Personalized Scriptures by Leanne Weiss. Stories, saying, and scriptures to encourage and inspire. Nice. Okay, let me just read a little bit. I know I'm not trying to take up all your time, guys, but it says, someone you know needs a hug today. The women in your life who give their all to their work, their dreams, their loved ones, these are women on the go. And this book is a perfect expression of appreciation and admiration for the lives they live in service to others. Awesome. So I'm not going to read the whole thing, but basically that's the gist of this book. That's really cute. I like that. Item number 2. Okay. No way. All right. So, that brings up another topic. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe at this time. I hope you like my personality. I am a little quirky. I'm weird, but that's just who I am, and I own it. I'll never be fake. This is just me. And yeah, so please subscribe. Please smash the like button, everybody. And if you can, please turn on all notifications. But the reason I said this brings me to this. If you have been a part of my channel for any part of time, you know I love bears. Like, I'm obsessed with them, fascinated with them. I think they're adorable. If I ever lived in a place where there were bears, I'd be dead, because I would probably try to befriend one and be mauled. I even have a teddy bear tattoo. Like, it's just real for me. I've got teddy bear earrings on right now, for God's sakes, okay? Like, it's that real. So, when I pull out this in this box, see how that one says, please subscribe to my channel? Y'all like how I did that? Pretty slick. But when I pull this out, this, guys, come on, done. Okay, month 2 is a success. I don't even need to keep going. Anyway, so let's open her up. And I've got a cute little manicure set with the panda bear. Cute. Love it. Obsessed. Anyway. Guys, really? Okay, anyway. That just made my day. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I love getting stuff that's bears. And today's my 13-year anniversary. And my man got me a bear blanket. And I got a pen that he gave me that's a bear. And I was just like, you got me bear stuff. Because I'm ridiculous. 39 years old, turning 40 this year. And still lose my shit over bears. That's me. Okay? And then I got another bear. Okay. All right. So now you know me. So please subscribe. All right. So here's the next item. All wrapped up. Is it a candle? What do we think? What is it? What are you? Nope, not a candle. Way off. All right, so this is full-size item, and it says, your vacation from dry skin. God, I need a vacation from dry skin. Fresh cut pineapple formula. Beach Babe Sugar Scrub by Walton Wood Farm. Fresh cut pineapple formula. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, this shit smells, sorry, excuse my language. I'm a lady, I promise. And a freak in the sheets. But anyway, this stuff, woo, it smells so good. Like, that's straight up the sweetest pineapples. You know what it's like when you buy pineapples and they're already chopped up in those containers? And sometimes you get them and they're not ready. And they're just like, they smell like pineapple, but then you open that one little canister of pineapples and they are just juicy and ready to go and perfect and just smell so sweet. That's what this smells like. Not even kidding. Never heard of it, but I own it. Thank you. And I'm going to smell like it. I'm excited for this. Actually, I've liked everything. What am I talking about? But this smells so good. And it's by Walton Wood Farm. I have never heard of this. Fresh cut pineapple formula. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right. This is the next item. This is by Clinique. It appears to be Christmassy. So maybe they got this around Christmas time. I don't know. And then they put it in the January box. Doesn't really matter to me as long as it's good products in here. So this is cute though. I guess it was meant to like go on people's trees. So I'm guessing maybe they got it too late and that's my guess. This is me guessing and assuming. But that is a cute idea, right? That Clinique put these out. I didn't see these. All right. So it's wrapped in tissue paper. And we have got Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. And the shade appears to be black. And then we've got Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This stuff is so good. So we got that. And it matches my eyeshadow. How cute. So that's the two items. That's cute though, right? That it was like a little... I don't know. Tell me if I know I'm cheesy. Don't tell me I'm cheesy. You can't tell me something I already know. But tell me if you think that's cute that Clinique did that. I see a lot of companies during the Christmas holidays, they'll do stuff that's like sample size for you to hang up on their trees and stuff. But they give you the littlest like item. Like this is still the mascara I can use. And the cleansing balm is a nice size I can use. And so what they did was they made the packaging more of an ornament. So I think that's cute. That was very smart by Clinique. And I'm glad this company put this in the box. And I pay my money. So everything I'm saying is my opinion. Which it would be my opinion anyway. But in case you're wondering, oh, she loves everything. No, I'm going to tell you the truth. All right, so here's the last thing that's in here. I have no idea. It's pink. It does not sound like fragile, which means it probably is because I'm shaking it. But, okay. I have no clue. That's what it looks like when I open it. I'm so glad I kept this box another month. And let me just tell you, the December box didn't hold a candle to this box. The December box was cute, but the January box is phenomenal. So that just goes to show you never know with the subscription, and that's why I always let them play out 2 or 3 months and just see what I think. And I think that's the smart thing to do. Bubble wrapped. I do see animal print, but I still don't know what it is. It says, hello, lovely. This is the lid. That's cute. This is cute, guys. So it's by Avenue 9. I don't know what that is. Doesn't matter. So it's just like a container to put stuff in. And that's the lid for it. That is so cute. This is so cute. I know I keep saying that, but it's so cute. All right, so that's everything I got in the January 2020 Pink Box delivery. Do I think they came to bring it? Yes, they did. This was an amazing box. And again, I paid $35. So please tell me if you think $35 was worth it. I got this Clinique set that had Take the Day Off Balm and a mascara. Now you can say, oh, they gave you a December packaging because I don't care about that. I just want the product to be good. But you can say that. You can say technically it was an ornament, so it was not really January. But that for me, I don't care. I got this really cute, sexy little container, which you can hear is like legit. It's not plastic. Okay, and it came in this beautiful box, and I don't know why I was shaking it. Talking about it's not fragile, and it was completely fragile. I got, hello, this beautiful bear, this panda manicure set. I got this book for, what was it? Hugs for Women on the Go, which sounds really cute. I got this amazing smelling pineapple Beach Babe Sugar Scrub by Walton Wood Farm. And I'm telling you guys, just look the company up. Like, if you're like, I don't have the money, I'm not, actually, $35, it's a no-brainer. You should just at least sign up for the month, right? But, you know, nonetheless, if you just want to look up the product, it's Walton Wood Farm. It's 8 fluid ounces, 100% North American crafted, and this stuff smells phenomenal. And I have really dry skin, so like I've started putting, this is TMI, but I don't care. We're all family, right? I started putting like snail serum stuff on my back because I've been getting like rashes and I don't know why, and it's like very like dry skin, itchy, and it's annoying and I hate it. And the only thing that's been helping is snail serum. It takes the itch right away, baby. So I put the snail slap right on. But I'm excited to get something that helps with dry skin that's a scrub. And maybe I'll try this out on the area and see if it'll help. And then, last but not least, I got this adorable, like, whatever you want to call it, like a throw for your body, for you to wear, shawl, whatever. Really cute. I'm a plus size girl. It fits me. And so, anyway, I think it's a no-brainer. I love this box. I'm glad I stayed. I can't wait to see what February brings because that's Valentine's, right? So, who knows what they're going to come up with. So, please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box, what you think of this subscription, and what was your favorite item in here? I absolutely loved everything. Everything. So this was a hit for me, and night and day difference from December. And I like December, but this blew December out of the water. So guess you never know. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. I love you. I'll see you guys later.